Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's learn. Today's our topic is the gyroscopic effect on ships during pitching motion. Let's see. Pitching. It is the movement of ship in upwards or downward direction due to waves. Let's see here. Here you can see that ship is moving upwards and sometimes moving downwards due to waves. This movement is known as pitching. As you can see here, this axis, which is the mean position axis of ship, is getting turned or getting displaced by some angle theta during both cases, upward and downward pitching. Okay, this is represented by angle theta. The maximum angle turned during pitching is known as the phi. Here you can see maximum angle get turned is phi. I will show it. This is our angle theta, which we get in both our cases, upward pitching and downward pitching, but the maximum angle we get during pitching motion is represented by phi. Let's see further. Angular displacement of spin axis from its mean position is theta, as we saw just now, and we can find theta by using this formula. Theta is equals to phi sine omega naught t. Here phi is the maximum angle turned from the mean position axis, whereas omega naught is the angular velocity of simple harmonic motion and t is the time, and we can find omega naught, which is equals to 2 pi by Tp. Tp is the periodic time in seconds. Okay, now we will find the angular velocity of precession, which is represented by omega p, and we can find it by this formula. Omega p is equals to d theta by dt. Here theta is the angle turned from mean position axis, which we find just now. How to find? Just we have to derive it with dt. We will get the angular velocity of precession. So this is our case in which ship is pitching upwards, as you can see here in this image, and the rotary motion of spin axis is in anti-clockwise direction when we see it from front. When we see it from here, this is anti-clockwise direction. So by using the right hand thumb rule, we will get the angular velocity vector omega naught in this direction. Okay, so now we will draw the precession axis, which we will get in pitching. In pitching case, we will get precession axis in the z direction, and it is given that it is pitching upwards, so we will get the we will get precession vector somewhat like this, omega p, because the ship is pitching upwards. So this omega p is representing that ship is pitching upwards. So now we have to turn our angular vector omega naught in the same direction of omega p by 90 degrees. So we will get the active gyroscopic couple. See, this vector is representing the active gyroscopic couple, which is in this direction, and same opposite to this we will get the reactive gyroscopic couple. Okay, so by again using the right hand thumb rule, we will get the reactive gyroscopic effect somewhat like this. I will show it. somewhat like this, which will act on ship, which will get affected on ship. So this gyroscopic couple, due to this gyroscopic effect, the ship will take a right turn. As you can see here, ship is taking a right turn due to reactive gyroscopic couple. So we can say that when ship pitches upwards and its rotary motion is in anti-clockwise direction, when we look it from the bow end, we will say that ship will turn right side. Thank you for watching the video. If the video is helpful, then please like the video and subscribe our channel